Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching my video. So today I'm going to show you how I made this lovely natural hairstyle, and stay tuned and enjoy. First off, we're starting with freshly washed hair. She took out her protective style, and then we detangled with my homemade conditioner mix, and then went ahead and shampooed her hair. So I'm going to use my oil, my growth oil, and my butter on her hair, and then we're going to start styling her hair. So today what we're doing here is giving her twist in the back, and then cornrow in the front, and finishing with a twist. So that's what the hairstyle we're doing today. Bouncy twist. So if you've watched my video till this point, please kindly like my video, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Finally, I'm going to oil her scalp and give her a nice scalp massage. Now, if you want a detailed video of me cornrolling, please write it in the comment section and I'll sure to do it. Thank you for watching my video. Till next.